Go. What are you feeding him?
Chicken. Ew. So cute.
He likes chicken.
Ew.
Can I feed him a piece?
No, it's super special. Wow, did you see him flinch? You're so cute. It's actually fish.
He will like me. Oh, it's not.
He's freaked out. Look, there's blood. Is that video?
Mm-hmm.
So did you get him when he flinched? Ew, what the fuck is that? Why do you have to swear? Oh, who cares if I swear? You never heard a swear word?
Like he can eat that, can't he?
Can you swear? I want him to chew it though.
Yeah, because he just swallows it.
Like a hungry cat? Does it have pepper on it?
Thank God.
That's good, isn't it?
Cat is so cute.
He's like a fat ass, like indulging himself in like food.
This flash broke my video.
You're gonna feed him all of this? Wow. Even my cat doesn't eat that much.
I'm sure, yeah.
But he's growing.
It's really good for his fur. Kittens eat more than cats.
I'm like, oh yeah, bring it on.
You're still calling him a kitten when he's bigger than you?
It's like 40. I'm like, my little kitten.
Do you think he's gonna grow anymore?
Yeah.
Obviously. He's 1 year old. Not even. I think he's less. Or not.
Did you get him for free?
No. I paid $70 for him.
$70?
How much did you pay for it, Katie?
70.
Was it worth it?
Yes.
Really?
How much did you pay for me?
For this?
Hi.
Is that worth it?
Water.
Wash it. Yeah.
No, okay, relax. Look at him. He's just hungry.
Crazy cat.
Let's go play some badminton, y'all.
No
more memories.
You guys actually run out of memory?
Yeah, I will. I just have to change.
Do you know how much pictures we take? There's still pictures on here from when we went to the saga or whatever. Do you want any more or no? No. Turned away. No.
Is the food what?
He's like, I didn't eat it in a while. Since I turned around.
Such a cute little puppy.
She has really hardcore teeth.
Yeah, I know, they're really big, eh?
Like if you put your finger where he's biting, it really hurts.
Man, I hope I'm filming him.
It looks like a delicious thin piece of Korean barbecue.
Oh god, Korean barbecue is so good. Like it's wow. I'm like, okay, I'm leaving right now, guys. Bye.
Sergi.
Bumblebee.
Oh wait, there's a bumblebee in your car grid thing. Or a hornet. Oh, you're stretching.
What the hell put this pole here?
Ew, Katie. Like I'm gonna put on. I'm thinking. Look at him, Pat.